A very good morning to you, children. I welcome you all into this session of GK, in which today I will be taking with you chapter 4, which is about animals of on earth. Now, children, there are so many animals on this earth, almost uncountable, and you can see a wide variety of animals. See, children, there are birds, there are fishes, there is snake, earthworm, then tiger, lion, cow, then very small animals like pups are there, then ants are there, right? So from huge creatures like elephants, we have small creatures like ants, which is a proof of the diversity of this animals group, right? Rather, animal kingdom. Now, there are many species of animals on earth. These species include reptiles, amphibians, birds, fishes, and insects. These are some of the categories into which these animals are divided. Now, reptiles basically are those animals which locomote while moving on the earth. For example, like earthworms, sorry, snakes, right? They locomote with their whole body just moving in contact with the earth's surface. Amphibians are the animals which live on both land as well as water. Birds, we all know. Fishes, yeah, they live in water. Insects, yani kide makode, etc. Now, in this exercise, we have to, there are two examples of different species which are in the clue box. And from that, we have to identify. Right? Here is the, children, here is the clue box. Right? From here we have to take one. Now the first here is annelids. Now let us go one by one seeing the pictures. Now the first is elephant and bat. Now what is the similarity between the two? The two can reproduce, they don't lay eggs, and that is why they come under the group of mammals. Let us see if mammals is in the choice. If it's there, then yes, mammals is here. So the first group is of mammals, right? They belong to group 1, right? Elephants and bats are mammals. Next are snake and lizards. See, snake and lizard, they both crawl on the wall or on anywhere. Their body is in contact, so they come under the group of reptiles. Let us see if reptiles is in the choice. Yes, it is here. So reptiles are the number 2, mammals are 1, right? Now we come to the group number 3. Three group comprises of koala and kangaroos. Now see the similarities between the two. They all have pouch. See here. And such animals are called marsupials. They're called marsupials. Let us see if it's in the choice. If it's there, it's there. So marsupials will be the number 3. Right? Now the fourth group is of toad and spotted salamander. Right? Toad and spotted salamander. Now these two creatures, they can live in on land as well as on water. They have adaptations for land as well as water, so they come under amphibians. If amphibians is there in the choice, then they are in amphibians is there, so amphibians is number 4th. Now we come to 5th, and the two examples here are squid and snail. See, they both have a shell covering on their head, right, on the top. शंख जैसा उनके ऊपर घोंघा जैसा बना होता है. This is called shell covering. So they are all molluscus or mollusca, right? They all come under group molluscus or mollusca. This is the fifth one. And the last is earthworm, compost earthworm, endogic earthworm. Earthworms are annelids, right, or annelida. So this is how this animal kingdom comprises of. Now elephant and bat, they are mammals. Snake and lizards, they are reptiles. Koala and kangaroo are marsupials due to their pouch. Toad and salamander, as they can live in both land and water, are amphibians. Squid and snail, due to their shell calcium covering or shell covering on their top, are molluscus. And earthworms, they are annelids. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did in making it. So until the next time we meet again, it's a goodbye and hope you had a great time with this. Thank you, children.